In our previous class, we talked about the reflection, that is, when the light strikes a surface, it bounces back. This bouncing back is called reflection. Then we talked about the regular reflection, yani the reflection from a mirror surface, the glass, even you have seen the water, you can see the tree image in the water surface, that is also a regular reflection, or any polished surface, then that kind of reflection is regular reflection. So clear patterned image is formed. In case of diffused reflection, that is if a reflection, if light is falling on this surface, it is a rough surface. अगर आपको स्मूथ दिख भी रहा है तो माइक्रोस्कोपिकली द surface is rough. It will be having an uneven surface. So in that case, we will be having the scattered or a diffused reflection. So it may be anything, our skin, our leather, our wooden surface, or a plastic surface, anything. So this was our previous thing. Reflection, regular reflection, irregular reflection. But what if the reflection is happening from more than one surface? I have one surface, that is reflection. But if two surfaces are there and then the reflection is happening, then what is the difference we are going to get? Yes, my dear students, we are going to talk about this reflection and it will be called the multiple reflection. The reflection of light is happening but from more than one surface. Once the light falls here, it is reflected, and where the position at which it is reflected, I am putting another mirror, another reflecting surface, again it is reflected back. If I take up another mirror here, and this kind of multiple thing, many times you are doing the reflection. So this reflection of light rays from more than one surface will be referred to as multiple reflection. Now, why we are discussing it? I always ask my students, something is happening, it is happening with a reason. Where we are going to see it? Yes, we are going to utilize this multiple reflection from a very simple experiment, very simple example, which is always we have taken it right from a childhood when we had been going to the barber shop, when we were going for the cutting of a hair. Once the haircut is taken, the barber always takes some person and asks the person sitting in front of the mirror and asks the person, sir, are you happy with this cutting? See your back? Yes. Then this is the example of multiple reflection. So barber shop is a very great example where the person is taking the help of multiple reflection from two surfaces, two mirrors, just parallel to each other. Now one more example I had with me is a kaleidoscope. Now this kaleidoscope is, let me dissect its complete surface, and what we are going to see is that this particular surface has piece of three mirrors. This particular kaleidoscope, I am dissecting it. See, you can see three reflecting surfaces are there, three polished surfaces are there, and this is a tube in which this particular thing is fitted, and to fit it down we need certain rubbers, insulators, so that it is fixed rightly. So you can use paper also. You can make your own kaleidoscope at home. Now what we are going to do? We are going to put certain beads here. You can take pulses, you can take matchsticks, pieces of matchsticks, and just cover it. And what you are going to see is, once you are going peep through this end, the other end, this end will be having the pieces of bangles. It can be matchsticks, it can be beads of any color. You will find, because of this multiple reflection, you are going to see a beautiful pattern, and that beautiful pattern is nothing but a pattern created by kaleidoscope. Now this is kaleidoscope. Now what will be the formula? The formula to get the image is very simple. You have to take up 360 degree, because the complete angle is 360 degree, and the angle between the two mirrors. At what angle you are keeping the two mirrors. Once you will divide this 360 and the angle you have taken, you will subtract it with 1 and you will get the number of image you will see. Now let me take this through an experiment, just an example. Let us check it out if this is correct or not. So I have taken different position. This is 30-degree position. I am keeping the mirror here in 30-degree position, right? Another mirror like this, and let us see what happens to the. Now see, these two mirrors are being kept with a certain angle, so you can check out the angles and you can see only two images here. The object is this and the image is this side, right? You can see the image here, and this is how the things go on. So how many images? You have got only two images. Now let us take one more example. If I keep the angle to be 30 degree, then what kind of image how many images I will get? 360 divide by 30. First divide, right? Then subtract. Students usually do this mistake. They don't keep in mind the BODMAS rule. So first divide it. 0, 0, 3, 12, 12 minus 1, and how many images you will get? You will get 11 images. Same ways you can practice more examples, like if you are getting, if the angle is 45 degree, or let us take if the angle is 90 degree, then divide it by 90, then minus 1. 0 to 0, 9 4s are 36. So how many images you will get? 4 minus 1, that is 3 images you will get. So once this angle is 90 degree, once this angle goes 90 degree, then you will get 3 images. And we will check it out. My arrangement of this 90 degrees there almost. And you will get 3 images here. Right? 1, 2 and 3. Now this is all about the multiple reflection when it is happening many times. Applications, very important. The periscope, you might have seen the periscope. It is again a tubular-like structure used in submarines. It is roughly like this. Here one mirror is kept here. The object reflects the light here. Then the same reflection is taken at this particular angle, and the person who is looking at this side is going to see that particular image. What is object here? Object is here. The object light is reflected here. Then this reflection goes here and it is then taken into your eyes and you can see the object. So this is how periscope, kaleidoscope, barbershop and mirror mazes are. Recently we have seen some equilateral triangles and some geometrical figures, and then a lot of images created. Many unfolded images are there, and this is called mirror mazes. So you just Google it out and you will find more about these mirror mazes, and this is all about multiple reflection.